Good morning. We'd like to welcome to your flight with Alaska Airlines.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Hunter Gatherer channel. It's Saturday the 12th.
You got a whale here.
There's a lot of bugs on the windshield. That's how you do it in Alaska. All of the mosquitoes and everything else. And we cleaned the windshield, but it didn't last long. Hello everybody, welcome to the Hunter Gatherer channel. And it is July 7th. Another Alaska adventure going on down in Homer. We are going out for some halibut. And it's a beautiful day this morning. Hopefully it stays that way out on the ocean. So this is the Homer Spit, the small boat harbor. Headed down the ramp. This thing looks treacherous. We're headed out with Captain Brandon on the boat. These shoes are kind of slippery actually. Yeah. Going on Spartacus today, and hopefully we'll be slaying them. We got Brandon with Captain Brandon, Dad, and Uncle John, and Brenda, and Amber, but they're not here yet. I know you guys get used to the whole mountain thing, but it is beautiful. I can't stop looking at them. Just like
I don't get used to it. I'm amazed by it.
So much to do out of here. Seward, you leave Seward Harbor and you go out, there's not really a lot. Like here you got Halibut Cove, you got Seldovia, Tucka Bay, you know, Sadie Cove,
Yeah.
Jackaloff Bay. There's a lot of different
All kinds of
areas here
stuff.
to really play.
Keep your thumb on the spool like this so it doesn't bird's nest. Then let it drop all the way to the bottom.
Crack it up a couple grand. No?
Record and so you can go back home and fish
Yeah.
the halibut.
I'm gonna fish right in Canasteraga Creek for halibut. You just wait. We'll be the first one to ever catch one there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Creek.
You're good to drop the second. Now you are. And then what you're going to do is reel up a few cranks, get it off the bottom. You want to bounce it right above bottom. Some of the boats you might have been on bounce on bottom. We do right above. You get a fish, left hand either right here or right here, hold it, and reel at the same time. Or else it's just going to go like this and move it. Okay? This rod's fishing. You're good to drop this back on now.
All right, expert advice. You ready, Brandon?
I'm ready.
You're not gonna do it. If you haven't done it yet, you're not doing it. Nice and calm.
You won't do it. You won't do it.
Yeah. It's like all you need is a lullaby and you'll be right to sleep. Kind of like that stuff in on your shower, you know, where you can't quite see through it. That kind of glass.
Yeah.
Love it. All right.
Don't love
Let me ask you this,
Don't
Brandon.
love it.
What's the reason for going so far out? Just out of curiosity.
I love it.
Like, I know a lot of people beach fish, really close to shore, like down by Kenai and stuff, but it seems like every time you go out halibut fishing, it's like 30 miles this way. Like, that's just where the fish are. Bigger fish up there.
I can fish right there in the bay.
Right. I just didn't know if anything. Right, sure.
Oh my God, Jason, are you kidding me? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the throw up though. Just kidding. No, you're gonna get the first fish. So I'm waiting.
Oh, okay.
This is a waiting game today.
No, I was talking about his camera behind us.
It's great. This is hands-free. When I'm reeling in the
Pure tourist.
26 incher,
Oh, yeah?
yeah, I'm gonna be right on it.
Oh, shoot. Sitting there telling them, left hand on the reel, left hand on the reel, left hand on the reel. I'm spinning left and right. Yeah.
Well, you can give them all the instructions you want, and when they get a fish on, all of a sudden they forget it. I mean, Gary had somebody in the boat.
There was a little bit of movement there for a second.
Get it up to the, when I get it up here, then drop your rod so I can net it. So the lady cranking away and gets it up there. He said, "Okay, drop the rod."
Stopped it. Yeah.
Yeah, she dropped the rod.
That's how
Caught
you
it
do
about
it.
a half hour later. Still had fish on it. Somebody snagged onto the line.
That's how you do it right there.
But everybody's laughing on the river. Yeah, drop your rod, Garrett. There you go, man.
There's that left hand on the side of the reel.
Yeah, where is it? Yeah.
It's way down there.
No.
Give yours a crank up right here. Sorry.
That's right.
We can't let him get first fish. We're gonna owe him $5.
Close line.
I don't got $5.
Cut it.
Alright, hey Brandon, I'll give you $10 to cut that.
John wanted that.
Oh,
$5
John's
for
got a special
Skate.
rod.
Hey, first fish, skate doesn't count. Oh, no, that's nice.
That's a halibut.
That's a halibut.
He's got a.
Is it a nice one?
Yeah. Look at how he's got two eyes right in a row on this pole. What's up with that? He's got
Oh,
the
yeah.
magic
the
pole.
highlight fell out.
Yeah.
Oh, John's got a nice one.
Oh man.
Silas, is this more of the big fish area or the
Come on, John. This is the big fish
I knew
area.
you were
now.
cool because you have the same name as me.
Huh?
Not liking to come in.
No? That's awesome. Good.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
No matter what, they like it.
They can spit them out.
Tell Gary we need counters on these reels so we know if you're making any gain.
Gotta be those gloves.
Yeah, I gotta give me some of those gloves. That's why he
Get
said.
that sucker up here. Let's
That's why
go.
I said keep your left hand there.
Come on, Buck.
No.
I think you got a big one, John.
What's going on, John? Got a head shaker back there? Yeah, I can reel, but it ain't coming in. Really? Might have a real fix there. Huh? Got a fix there.
What? Give me that necklace.
I knew it worked. Wait.
I got $1,000 in my pocket.
No.
I'll take it. Bring my little
Amber.
Oh, Amber.
Reel. Oh.
Get him.
Reel.
Oh. You know who doesn't have one? Me.
Yeah, because you're
I'm top fishing.
yep, you are top fishing. Let's see your water popping.
Yep, it's like a buzz bait on the bass rod.
Yeah. Get your frog going on you on the lake then.
Yeah, John.
Here, I wanna.
Gaining on that, baby?
I
He's trying. It's tough to bring up a 7-foot door.
Yeah.
Oh. What do we got?
Silas,
Yeah.
give that to someone else.
Here.
What's going on?
We got a fish right there.
Good one?
Not too bad. I don't know how big it is, but
Watch out. Yeah, please. Oh, yes, ma'am. Watch out, guys.
down it. Yeah. You're in charge of lunch now. Great work. There goes your shoes, Amber. Got them all sloppy.
And there goes my $5.
Man.
Gladly. You earned out.
Yeah, great job.
I'm gonna have to borrow them gloves, man. Those are the fish magnets.
What is that?
Like 60, 70.
Yeah.
Oh, John, you're gonna have to get a picture with that one, dude.
That one?
Yep.
Whoa. Hey.
Good job, Jason. That's a fly. I might go over there next.
That's a shaker.
Go, Jason, go.
Go, Daisy, go. Are you recording?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, yeah, it is. It is. Oh, it just blanked.
You're not recording?
No, it is. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Picture.
That's a fighter there.
Ooh! Oh, yeah, he's peeling. Oh, Brandon. Captain Brandon. You're doing our name now, bud.
Is he peeling?
Yeah. Go.
Yep.
Oh.
Alright. Can you
What did you just do when you did that? Maxed out the.
in the back, yeah.
I think so.
Sorry, boss.
Yeah, man.
So see how it's like, I don't know, you just throw it up and down. I'm not doing the whole thing, but I'll get it. And that means you're going to get a shot. Tide changing and coming back this way. So lines are getting shorter. So we're getting like west steps kind of. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, man.
Kind of like the big bottom.
Oh, man. The arms are burning.
When we get this up, Brandon, that was a little more active than the more
Yeah. Yeah, when you were doing it, it was so smooth, man. I was like, oh, yeah. He knows what he's doing. I'm all.
make it work for us.
Yeah.
You guys there, you see that kind of like top? Do that like that. Yep. Okay, reel up or crank. That means you're on bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it is tide changing up so where it's coming back this way, and so technically our lines are getting shorter just because
You got a bigger one.
We'll see. He's working me.
Oh yeah. Jason's got himself a head shaker there. Got himself a good fish.
I'll take it over.
That's right. John's lucky pole holder there.
Alright, good.
I'm gonna take you out.
Alright. Yeah, it's getting pretty good size. Did you hear him? He said this one might be a shooter.
Come on, son. Reel that fish in.
Okay, I see the color.
Ooh.
Stop right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got another nice
Alright,
fish.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, dude. That's a big one.
Holy moly.
Bring him up. Try it. He's coming.
Dude, he's 100. I think he's 100.
Yeah. Okay, the rusty one. And it's a Brandon. And then that's Brandon. Brandon.
Oh, man.
Smash, that's a fighter.
We got a whale here. Oh, man.
Here, that, here.
got some action today. Oh! No.
There we go. Let me get another gaff now.
You got 100 pounds in there, buddy.
Yeah.
Awesome. Watch yourself, Brent.
Everybody watch out.
Oh my God.
Let your line loose on the road, dog.
Oh, man. Awesome.
Nice one, Jason.
On the salmon head.
Nice one, Jason.
You got sweet cheeks and big butts there.
How do you get the hook on?
Probably glad you got him. Huh?
Yeah.
You gonna pick that baby up and get a picture?
Give it a shot.
Did not want to come in.
No, it was fighting.
We got her done today. Our fishing boat.
What were you guys saying? What were you looking for?
About that.
Okay.
We figured if we tried it for 100, that would be cool being a 3-digit club.
Yeah.
You got your 27 inch. Now you go for the big one.
Hey, you go for the big one.
Is it blinking?
No. Oh, dang.
Yeah, it is. Oh well, we'll edit some of it.
Hope you're on.
Does it show? Can you see the screen? If it's
Yeah, it's blinking, right?
Brendan already checked it.
Now you got
that
it
up for a picture.
27 inches.
Yeah, not here. We're gonna go into the chickens.
We're not gonna put one.
Oh, that is you.
Come on, Brandon. You're next. I guess I'll come in last.
Fill your
They're getting bigger.
We need another freezer.
They're getting bigger as we go.
Put in the rod over here.
We catch more of those.
Right.
We're gonna need a bigger truck.
Alright, I get that rod holder this time. That's the spot.
No way, man.
What do you mean? No way,
You had
man.
your chance.
No.
Yeah.
Like anything.
Yeah, it was thumping away back there and you weren't even watching.
I was too.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna keep you two that have the fish. Big fish out.
Yep.
I mean, he's got a big hole in his cheek. Why is he so alive?
He's tough.
Oh,
You
yeah.
see me reeling that sucker in, I'm thinking, why am I getting tired? We're being a sissy.
We brought the biggest fish the last like 4 days, and we're having that going on. we're way ahead, baby. Alright, time to bring out the ice rod.
Yeah. He would have brought that ice rod would have brought him up for sure.
Oh, dude, I would have had him in the boat. Okay, we're going to
Probably 110.
Woo!
Yeah, man.
Good job, dude.
120.
That's a nice jacket you got there. Man, this is good. I was supposed to go on a moose hunt at some point, but so that jacket was supposed to go on a moose hunt at some point. Didn't happen.
I'll go for you this year.
Whatever that was. Ooh, man.
Pretty sure
He's wanting it. He's just chewing a little.
Every time you're going down.
Right, just wait till Captain Brandon says for real.
I
messed up on that one. No, I'm gonna edit that out. You didn't. I'm thinking a little bit. Oh, is this going on YouTube? Yeah. I do have a little channel. Oh, really? Man, I wish I would have got the harpoon. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if we'll see how the angle. Maybe we can't tell. It's got his bait in this.
Oh, I was like, that looks weird.
Is it under?
Might be.
Oh, you got octopus on there. That's why you guys are saying tentacle.
You got the. Yeah, that's why.
I was wondering why you guys were.
Like these guys don't even know what a tentacle is. These guys are dumb. Well, yeah.
Yeah, he didn't even eat your bait.
There you go.
What was that?
Throw
Salmon head?
yeah.
Yeah, you're under 27, Brandon.
Yep.
Get that out of the way.
That one's gonna taste way better than Jason's. Don't think what.
So I should throw mine back.
Yeah, go ahead. No, I'm not saying that it won't taste good. Look at
What's so funny?
how small it is compared to yours.
Yeah, we have to catch. He just did better at catching the small one than I did.
This looks bad. It looks really bad.
No, he just got that one out of the way, and now he's going big.
Yeah.
John and I are done fishing for now because he and I both have one in the live well, or in the well, in the fish tank. I don't know what they call it. So it's peanut butter jelly sandwich time, and time to get some energy up for the chicken that I still need to catch at some point. So here you got a 1 over 1 under is how they do it, and so 1 under 27 inches and 1 over 27 inches. So John and I have our 1 over 27 inches. We went a lot bigger than 27 inches, and then Brandon has one that's under 27 so far. So we're waiting. Hey, you got the under out of the way. That's harder to do with all those big ones down there.
Oh, Uncle.
Yeah, man, that's the spot. Back left.
Yeah, it is. That is the spot of the day.
The size of that bait I had, you know it's gotta be.
What, did you get that big salmon head?
I got the big salmon head on. I've got the.
You do?
That's about
The off? Can I take it out of the bottle?
got a toad.
And then it starts to slow down.
Yeah.
Fish on.
Oh, it's shaking a little bit, buddy.
Why aren't they biting on me?
You got it, fish. I'm the only one that has
That doesn't count.
There you go, Dad.
It does count.
it. Does.
It does count.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a little bit different this time. You're gonna be ready for the unders now. Yeah. Definitely. Dad's got a nice one on. It's putting him to work.
Harpoons on that side all the time.
You know, I'm waiting. I was lifting it and then I reel.
Yeah. The waves definitely help. We'll let you see what it is in a minute.
Yeah, it didn't mess around.
Yeah. You like it's behind? It's working you, huh? Nice. Oh yeah. Nice. Head shaker. Oh baby. Yeah. It's a nice one. I think so. Oh. All right. You gonna take over the lead? You're gonna take the lead?
Oh, maybe.
Oh.
He's up.
Yeah.
I pull him out of the bottom. Keep him in the water. I keep that.
Yeah, that'll work.
That's a nice one.
Yep.
Heck yeah, Dad.
Excuse me? You want a picture of it? Oh,
Pooping right out of underneath that front gill.
Oh yeah.
yeah, I suppose. Probably be a good idea. Sure.
It's up to you.
No.
Definitely need to.
Back and get pictures anyways.
You want to take pictures there or you want to take it
Yeah.
on the boat? Yeah, you got to be authentic.
And also,
Got it?
Give me a smile, man. All right. Yeah.
Here, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Random wants one too.
Alright.
Oh, it's gonna have to run. Yeah, man.
45.50.
We all kind of know who's the suit, right?
we need two
Yeah,
more
I think
overs.
so. That's a. Well, we did just one cut.
Probably the third bit this morning.
Yeah.
Hello, Amber.
Fish are so big they won't all
Yeah.
fit in a fish hole.
Get in there, fishy.
Alright, Amber!
Oh my God.
I don't want to hear any whining. You get that fish in.
Amber.
Is it a big one? What are you gonna do with all that fish?
You got a fish, girl.
Yeah, it will drag on the all the way setting. Hey, if it wants to take drag, let it take drag. Okay?
All the way forward.
Yeah, it's all the way forward. Keep doing.
Yeah. That's a.
Don't stop doing one. He's trying hard enough, but he isn't up here yet.
Right.
Get
Said you
that
wanted a
off.
fish. Why are you complaining?
Right. Quit
Grinding, pumping.
Hey, take that rod out of the rod holder. Oh wait, never mind. If you want a video, I was gonna try to get you a fish on. Jig it. Jig it off the bottom there for a second. I think that one also has a head on it. just make sure it's hitting that bottom.
Yeah, they
dig it
like them
5-6
heads,
times,
don't
throw it to
they?
the rod holder, give it a crank up.
Today.
Yeah. I couldn't believe that smaller one took that head in. I thought for sure it was a really big fish. That was nice.
That's pretty nice.
Perfect eating right
Yeah,
there.
man.
I mean, when you get something like that, that's worth 10 chickens right there, size-wise. It's great.
I just have to rotate this one rod holder.
Yeah. There's no sense of putting.
All 4 of the big fish have been on this rod.
Come on,
On
Brandon.
this rod holder.
I'm trying.
Give it a crank.
I know,
oh,
yeah,
wait.
Oh, come on now.
Oh, you're sliding into the blood.
No, I'm holding on.
You're doing the blood dance.
No. Get a couple of breaths, Amber. You get back in on that thing.
It's my arm.
Oh, that's good.
Down a little bit more, Brandon.
I think he just had a little hit on it.
Yeah, I was going to be bragging about your boat today, man. She's going to have you on.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Woo, we got a day off after this? Man, don't mind if I do.
Right.
And they're all gonna come on and expect it to be like this every day.
Yeah.
Right.
There you are.
Oh.
Give them a little slack.
All right, Amber. Watch out, because they're gonna be bringing.
That was a lot of work. It's bigger than my last one, though.
There you are.
It's way bigger than the last one I got.
Yeah. Good job.
Nice. Good job. You guys are gonna have halibut for
We got
days.
fresh fish now.
Yeah. You got your phone on?
Yeah, maybe they'll hold it up for us so you can get a
I got the
picture.
fish, yeah.
I did it.
I couldn't get
I don't know how you did that, Jason.
It's
It's like at least 5 times bigger than mine. That's some hard work.
It is.
Yeah, I was thinking I was a sissy. I'm like, man, I'm getting a little tired over here. You better buck up a little bit, boy.
Well, the one I caught was actually I think it was only 34
Oh, there might be
pounds.
one more
That's
in there?
bigger than, way bigger than my other one I caught.
That's the right stuff you got there.
Holy cow.
Okay, and you girls are 2 marks, yeah? Can
Yeah.
I get that bait knife over here, Brandon?
Yeah, this is the,
That's the rod holder there, huh?
all of them except that baby.
Which baby was that?
I'm just saying all of them were right. No, I'm saying all of them but that one reel were on this one. Every single one.
Take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
You can hold it while she gets it standing next to you.
I can do it.
Okay,
What you wanna
if
do?
want to. I don't want you falling about.
I'm
Getting
not.
that blood, that's slippery.
You gotta get right against that wall, probably.
You got lockjaw? Oh, he's still alive.
Yeah, that's the one. That's when it's fun to hold them up.
come here. Back to the back. You're gonna keep him on his right side. Look him straight up and lean up against it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, now watch your feet over there.
Oh, Dad.
Watch your foot. Will you hold this, Brandon? Oh, Brandon's up here.
You got it twice in the tail?
Yep.
Live well's getting full.
Woo! That ain't no live whale, that's a dead whale.
It's still alive. It's kicking.
Uh-oh. Amber's gonna tap out.
Just fine.
Oh, these boats handle
I mean, the
it real good.
catamaran's nice, but you've got this much.
Come on!
This much fishing deck, and then you've got it around.
You got it.
Oh yeah, because it's got that island, doesn't it?
Right.
Yeah.
Well, no, but it's got the cab. Then you can
Yeah, you can walk around.
Walk around the cab. Oh, I love it. God.
Sweet. Bonus fish.
Cod?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're pretty.
There you go. What's fish fishing, bad boys?
There we go.
I'm gonna kick you, Jason.
Keep drilling. Don't
Yeah,
stop
no stopping.
Well, I had to talk to him.
No.
'Cause
Ignore it.
Talking real.
Fish in the boat.
I'm trying.
You're doing great.
I'm tired.
Yeah. You've been doing all that work.
I just really relaxed.
I know.
I reeled it in.
Yeah. All right. Right when you're getting tired, it's
500
getting
more
closer.
feet.
It's almost here. It's gonna be awesome.
Wait, right there. All right, take it out of the rod holder. Looks like an over.
An over. Son of a. Don't drop the phone in the.
Oh, that's under.
Look at you. We told you what you needed, and you came through.
I'm done. I'm done.
Game over. Game, set, match.
Yeah, and you know, guys are stronger.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
You know how many girl deckhands I've seen reeling up crazy fish?
I am strong, but I am like
Well,
tired.
and tired. You did great.
Snack.
I'm glad you came. You have to send that to
my brother-in-law.
This is the technology these days. Amazing.
Look how good this rod is. That's all it needs
We're
to be.
actually following our element.
You know what you used to use back in the day?
Dropped them jigs down there now. The man was done this now.
Oh, yeah.
We'd have had our
I don't understand how you can pull a halibut up with that.
We haven't yet.
We haven't yet. Today's his first run. We don't even know if we can get the 4-pound weight up with it.
Yeah.
That's gotta snap that.
Just the weight.
Reel into.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good call. Right here.
Right there at the top.
On this side or the other side?
Yeah, that's real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really hope I get something on this.
You might have one over there, Jason.
Yeah, that was like it. Oh.
You got a bait, Brandon?
Coming up here, bud. You come down.
John's got one too?
Man, all the action.
There's one down there. Yeah, awesome. Off your rod.
No, I had John.
Dude,
What the heck?
that sucked.
I don't know if I popped off. I don't have anything on. It's on that line.
Fair hook. Man, you had a fish.
Yeah, I know. But John hit the eject button. I don't know.
You don't have one now?
No.
Dude, you have one. They were
Yeah. Oh well. We're up at Butt Whackers. They're gonna fillet these fish here. So I thought they were going to.
Oh, they will. Okay. I'm like, I want to know.
They're working out.
So hard, right? Because we did little ones and that was hard. I can't even imagine.
40 pounds on the money.
Alright, let's see if I have them in the right order or if I'm wrong.
Come on.
This one is exactly at 40 as well. I don't know what to tell you.
Oh. If the next two say 40, we know something's up.
So she thought hers was bigger.
Dude, you're not going to believe it. 40 pounds.
40, can you believe it?
No, it is sitting right at 62 pounds.
62.
Heck yeah.
All right.
Jason.
I know, dude. It's pretty
Nice
fast.
to have it from grill if you're a griller, but
It is sitting right at
all of them.
111 pounds.
Yeah.
You know,
They're doing a bet on the boat.
okay. Heck yeah.
There
If
we
you guys
go.
want any individuals standing next to you, I'll let it sit on the scale for just a minute.
You know what the makes you have and once you know it, it's really like where are you guys from? I'm originally from Oh, that's nice. I lived in Ohio. I live in Florida now.
We lost one about that size of the boat today.
Our brothers have electric reels.
That's one plate right there.
Nobody used electric reels. There was one guy on one of the charters that electric reel, and everybody was telling him fish. Because he wasn't reeling it in. And I was like, yeah, you hook it, you got to reel it in, man. That's half the deal.
How much did that thing weigh?
It was 111 pounds.
Oh, God.
A lot of fish.
Will someone on
Oh my god.
Yeah. They said for you to keep on them. That's what what's his name?
You want
Silas.
the list out of
Yes,
this one?
please.
Sure, I'll give you a
What is
heads
it?
up that we are
The ear bone?
in rush hour, so if you're closer in any kind of rush, I
What's
would
that?
pre-warn
They call it the ivory from them. It's a ear bone.
Where's that?
It's kind of in the head, the brain.
Sweet, that'll be no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do our best to be a little bit.
He's gonna show us. We don't know.
What do you do with it?
People use them for jewelry or for other things, and you can look at it for like to age the fish too.
Catch him at king. I feel like Carter's gonna kill me.
Yeah. Right.
Have him run the push, maybe. I'm sure they're all in by now.
If you want, I can run down and try and do any assisting I can, but
Is this the kind of the average of what they're catching right
this
now?
is far above average.
Okay.
The average fish is probably like 20 pounds.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah, you have to know secret places to get these. You got 110 or 62 and 240.
Sort them out by their marks, and then we can either send them over to get vacuum packed.
So is there just one in each?
No, there's two.
There's two? Okay.
Back. How many people were in your party? Two? Two and then, okay, cool.
No way.
Awesome.
Can I see that?
Yeah. So we just got the fish weighed, and we did a little photo op at Butt Whackers here in Homer. They're gonna fillet the fish for us and bag them, and then we're gonna go get them vacuum packed and frozen. But we had an amazing time. We were fishing with Alaska Fish on Charters, and we had Captain Brandon and deckhand Silas, and they did a great job. So if you get a chance to come to Alaska for some halibut, you're coming just for the halibut. These guys got some yellow eye and looks like a silver and halibut. So anyways, there's a bunch of fish up here for you to come after if you're interested. The biggest one of the day for us was 111 that I was lucky enough or blessed enough to catch. So that was awesome. I've been on a few different halibut trips, and that was probably the best one I've ever been on. So kudos to you guys. You did a great job. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. I'm glad you found it, and hopefully you enjoyed the show. And I just want to let you know that we love you. God loves you, and we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully you get up to Alaska for an adventure of your own. It's a great time. So have a great one. We'll see you. Thanks.